It's like insanely meaty. That is honestly the finest burger I think I've eaten the whole time I've been vegan.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Here we are in the BOSH office. Right now Ian is over at the BOSH kitchen where he's cooking up a treat for all of you. I'm here doing stuff like writing our next book and just chatting to everybody. So I've ordered myself a little takeaway. Well, check this out. This is from Leon, which is in London. There, they've got vegan jack wings. A little bit like BISH Jack Shack, maybe. But down there it says, veganism takes flight, which is amazing. Just think that 4 years ago when we started BOSH, there was no vegan fast food anywhere. And now it's everywhere. So from Leon, I've got some jack wings and their new Love Burger. But I'm gonna try this in a minute. I wanna take a trip down memory lane to when we went to Veggie Grill for the first time and had our first ever taste of proper American vegan fast food. Before we do subscribe if you're not already. We make videos like this almost every single day. Hit like if you like this video, and of course drop us a little comment down below. Now let's go back in time.
So we made it to Veggie Grill.
Yes, the menu looks amazing.
We're about to eat everything we can, but we also just met someone. This is Whitney, AKA Eco Vegan Gal. Say hey.
Hi.
What's good?
Everything is good here, honestly. This is a really good first place to come to in LA.
Oh my god. I haven't tasted that texture since for 2.5 years at least, so this is actually quite odd experience, but it's a nice one. It's like insanely meaty. Get your chops around that.
Okay. This is Veggie Grills Lucky Star Burger. Looks good. That's got a real kick to it. That is honestly the finest burger I think I've eaten the whole time I've been vegan. The bun is delicious. The patty tastes just like meat. The cheese is gorgeous. I'm genuinely wowed by this dish.
Up next, Veggie Grills Backyard Spicy Fried Chicken. Oh my god. Look at that. You know how that looks like chicken? That tastes like chicken. It's well seasoned, the breading. It's kind of got some Cajun spices in there. It's not too salty. Sometimes seitan's really salty. This one's nice and subtle, the flavour of the chicken. It's very good. Very, very good indeed.
Veggie Grills Koreatown Tacos. This one's going to be a messy eat. That is absolutely delicious. What I'm getting here is we've got crispy seitan, which is made to taste like crispy chicken. We've got Korean flavors, so I've got kimchi coming through. I've got spice. I can taste sriracha in there, and it's just giving this powerful flavor combination that marries with the creaminess of these avocados perfectly. That is a messy eat, but a delicious taco.
Next up, Veggie Grills Mac and Cheese. Oh my god, it's super smooth and super creamy. I'm not overly sure how American dairy-free cheese brands get their cheese so cheesy, because that is a lot cheesier than any dairy-free cheese you'll find in the UK. This dish is really nice as well because of the crouton-like crispy crust on the top. This is a very warming, hearty meal, perfect for the autumn.
So, I have the Veggie Grill buffalo wings with some vegan ranch dressing. I think they've nailed it. The texture, but the heat on this, I would say, is like, you have that great buffalo sauce flavor, and it's just got this like nice soft texture. Very, very satisfying.
We just ate Veggie Grill. It was amazing.
Certainly was, and look what we found.
Look what we found.
Voila!
It's
Welcome
Grace
to
from
LA.
Spice Box.
Woo!
From a windswept car journey to a just terrible hairdo. I know this hair needs cutting. I'm on it. I'm getting it cut tomorrow. So without further ado, we've seen the American burger. Let's try this tasty burger in front of me. It's called the Love Burger. Do we just spend all our time cooking food and eating burgers?
Yeah.
Just checking. There we go, that's looking pretty tasty right there. Obviously this has travelled via a wonderful Deliveroo rider. but I think it's travelled pretty well actually. This is what looks like an absolutely gorgeous patty, very brown. They've got beetroot in there, I think they've got some soy in there, and some vegan Gouda cheese as well. Now without further ado, let's give it a try. I mean, that's a pretty good burger. Have a peek inside. It doesn't quite taste like the Beyond Burger. The Beyond Burger, obviously they've developed that recipe for ages and ages and ages. It's got a crunch, it's got a reality that this doesn't. You can kind of tell that it is somehow made from smushed together plants, but it also doesn't taste like a veggie burger used to. This is a really, really convincing burger. Well done, Leon. Next up, we have these Jack wings with barbecue sauce. Now, if you don't live in London, you may not know this, but there's an amazing place called BISH Jack Shack, and he makes jackfruit wings. I feel like he kind of invented the jackfruit wing, and his logo actually looks a lot like that. But these are Jack wings. If they're in Lyon, that means they're available everywhere, so I'm happy about that. Let's give them a try. With a bit of barbecue sauce, of course. There is a wing. Should we have a little look on camera? I mean, it's kind of looking a bit cheesy. Does cheese belong in a jackfruit wing? I'm not sure. Seems like a strange combination to me. I mean, yeah, that's kind of tasty. It's fried food, right? So fried food always tastes kind of good. I still don't really think that cheese needs to be in here. I definitely prefer Biffs, but I would eat this if I was stuck on a day out. So Leon, thank you for bringing affordable, healthy, plant-based food to the masses. I'm happy with that. So that's amazing. You know, vegan fast food has come from the place where there was pretty much nothing 2 years ago, and now you can order vegan burgers from every single high street fast food joint. That's incredible. Thank you to everyone who's made this possible. All the people who've been fighting for vegan food, whether they've been at PETA, Veganuary, or even just raising awareness of the climate. You know, it's a really important time. We all need to pull together. We have got this book, BOSH, How to Live Vegan. In this, we talk a lot more about the climate and the why and the how of going vegan. Makes a great gift if you're looking to educate somebody about vegan food and why you chose to eat more of it. Link is in the description. Thanks for being here again. Do let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. Subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you tomorrow.